7 easy ways to earn passive income. If you'd like to create wealth, save for retirement, or simply relieve financial stress in your life, passive income is one of the most effective methods to do so. Passive income sounds like jargon or something you'd hear on a late-night infomercial, but it exists and works precisely as it sounds. It earns you money without requiring much effort or attention. We all know that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and you won't be able to make millions in one passive income method. But even a tiny additional income stream can make a significant impact on your day-to-day life. So keep watching for these 7 easy and passive ways you can upgrade your monthly income. Wouldn't you like a little extra cash every month? Welcome back to The Trend. Before moving further, please help us out and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So here are the 7 ways to make passive income. 7. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. After conducting extensive research, we at The Trend believe that investing in stocks of companies with a long history of paying dividends is one of the best ways to generate passive income. Dividends are a mechanism for companies to distribute earnings to shareholders, usually in the form of a defined cash amount per share of ownership. These companies are generally in solid financial condition, making them strong long-term investments in general. But the recurring dividends will be your primary source of income. We will advise you to choose your companies carefully and try to diversify your holdings. You may even delegate this task to someone else by investing in a dividend-paying mutual fund. 6. Earn through rented real estate. For decades, real estate has been a reliable investment, and demand will continue to exist. Buying a rental property allows you to pay off the mortgage with the rent your tenants pay you, leaving you with enough money to make a profit. If you hold the property long enough, you'll probably make a profit on it as well. Just make sure you do your homework and grasp the true cost of property ownership. We always suggest you do your homework before starting anything like this. 5. Become an ebooks publisher. We've seen a lot of people do it and make a lot of money doing it. You can also use content marketing to your advantage by publishing ebooks on a topic in which you consider yourself an authority. There are no hard and fast rules to follow here, but you should perform some research on your target market and competitors first. Even charging a few dollars per download once it's up can be quite profitable in the long term. You can publish an ebook on any topic you like. So, are you going to become an ebook publisher? Let me know in the comments section. 4. Tap into your expertise and sell online courses. Are you an expert in a certain area or industry? Or do you have unique knowledge that others could benefit from? If this is the case, you have knowledge that you can convert into online courses and then sell access to generate monthly passive income. Make a series of videos of yourself speaking, or record your voice together with a set of slides for a presentation. Upload the information in a learning management system, LMS. Set pricing, and send out a newsletter, and you're done. You've developed content that can be sold in a passive manner over and over again. You might also use the online courses to advertise your present business, whether you're a home designer, real estate agent, attorney, or construction contractor. You may also use the course to market other content you've written, such as a blog or a book. Alternatively, get them to subscribe to your subscription-only newsletter and build a strong customer circle for further courses. 3. Share what you love with affiliate marketing. Are there any products or brands that you truly love? Are you popular on social media, or do you have a popular blog or website? If so, affiliate marketing could be a great way for you to earn money while you sleep. In effect, all you need is a strong landing page to sell the affiliate products. When you sign up for an affiliate marketing program with a company, you'll get access to links, banner advertising, and other content you can use on your website, blog, email newsletter, and social media profiles. You'll get paid a commission if someone clicks on your affiliate links or makes a purchase, depending on the conditions of the company's affiliate program. The secret to successful affiliate marketing is to choose companies whose products and services make some sense to share with your audience. Otherwise, they will not click and you will not earn. 2. Hop on trends and start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping has become highly popular as a result of the e-commerce boom. Let me explain how it works. You create an online store that sells products from specific manufacturers. When someone visits your website and places an order, your system transmits the request to the product's manufacturer. At that point, the maker completes the purchase by shipping it directly to the customer who placed it on your website. One of the best things about this business is that you don't have to keep stock of the products you're selling. No inventory is required on your end. The buyer pays for the item, you get commissions, and the item's manufacturer or seller stores and ships the item to the customer. Isn't that easy? Does dropshipping fascinate you? Well, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. 1. Become a YouTuber. Well, it's a good source of passive income, and we believe that everybody may gain from it. When you sign up for the YouTube Partner Program, you'll be able to make money through YouTube. You must be at least 18 years old or have a legal guardian who is at least 18 years old and can handle your AdSense payments. You must produce content that adheres to the advertiser-friendly rules. Before you are accepted to the YouTube Partner Program, Google will assess your channel. They also monitor channels on a regular basis to ensure that you are adhering to all of their regulations and guidelines. Even if a YouTube channel does not have millions of subscribers, it can be monetized. Your earning potential isn't just decided by the number of subscribers and views you have, but also by the level of engagement you produce, the niche you cater to, and the income channels you explore. Popular YouTubers collaborate in a variety of brands that want to reach out to specific demographics. If you can strike the correct deals, this opens up a huge possibility for you as a creator. That concludes today's video. I hope you find it beneficial in a variety of ways. We appreciate your time in watching this video. If you found this video interesting and informative, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned to The Trend for more news about creating passive income.